to my channel. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. I've been loving these videos, been watching a bunch of them. I try to make mine look really aesthetics, make all the plating look really pretty, and then make all the food look really yummy. But then while I was watching my video, I realized that I eat really unattractively. And at first I was gonna edit that out because I wanted a really pretty video, but then I decided So I decided to lean into the darkness and show you guys what I actually eat in a day and how I eat in a day, which is apparently really unattractive. I also realized I do this really weird thing with my nose whenever I'm like eating or just living life because my glasses don't fit my face, so I'm like trying to get it stay on my nose all the time. It's really weird. So let's get started with the video. If you like it, make sure you click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah.